Yo, what is up, guys? What is up, people? What is up? What is up? How is everyone doing? How is everyone doing, boys? How's everybody doing? Very happy to see every single one of you. How is everyone doing? Let me actually see this. Okay, so I have 2 micros. Okay, cool. Okay, I set up my funded accounts here. Because here's the thing about the competition that I was partaking into. It's a gambler's competition. It's complete ass. It's a complete waste of time and an insult to trading. And I'm gonna show you by the end of the stream as to why I think what I think. So, let's get ready, boys. Let's get ready for the stream. Let's go. Like the stream, subscribe. We're gonna get ready in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We're gonna make the plan. Come on. What would I be looking for? What trades do I want to take today? If I'm having any opportunities. Of course. The US government is shut down. Sounds, US government is shut down. Sounds great, you know. Oh my days. The US government is shut down. They're already starting to collapse, these fuckers. For all the corruption they have. Already starting to collapse, aren't you guys? The good news, how long have you been trading? How long have I been trading? 4 years, mate. That was my learning curve, at least. The good news, welcome to the stream though. About 4 years. 4 years being my learning curve, and now I'm starting to get the hang of it. Now we're trying to head towards a payout. Sadly, the sad thing about trading is some people will take longer than I did. Some people will take shorter, but some will take longer. You guys know, I believe there's the BDH World Battle. Patrick Wheeland organized a thing. He organized a trading competition in which the one who makes most money wins. Well, here's the thing. I'm not gonna partake in that competition anymore. I still have the account, but the thing is, there is idiotic gamblers all over it. There's like one guy who made 76K in a single day. Like, dude, that is not sustainable trading. That is a shit-ass gambling competition. That is not a consistency, disciplined type of trading. I do not want to partake in a trading where I have to full port my account in order to be first place. Nah, I'm not doing this. I'm gonna probably full port my account just for fun and leave it go in a single direction. If it blows up, it blows up. I don't care. But yeah, this competition is a complete fail for me. It's a no-go. I suggest that you guys keep your money away. Don't buy an account. Don't try it. There's always gonna be a shit ass person out there who's gonna full port the account and have luck on it. Anyway, enjoy the stream. Let's begin with the plan, boys. So the daily chart currently, we pull back near the all-time highs. The US government is shut down. I wonder what. I'm actually gonna look more into that. We got a massive on the hourly chart here. We expect like more of a pullback on the daily chart from this push. We would expect some type of pullback into the 90s here and then maybe re-go back up. But I would want to see a retest maybe down here to this previous level of support where we bounced off from on Wednesday, October 1st. But for now, I just want to see what's going on, because keep in mind, we have this range here. We have this like kind of bear flag building up on the hourly chart here. Be very careful. Just be very careful. Good luck, Angel Avila. Hey, thanks. Thanks, Angel. Alright, let's go. Markets open. Markets are open. No trades taken. I just want to see. This is the type of action that we're currently having. Be aware, we got a range. The ES is holding up here though. I'm just trading my 6 PA accounts currently. 6 PA accounts, 2 micros per account. That's it. I always trade the opening. The good news, trading the opening bell sounds kind of nice, but what type of thing are you looking when the opening bell goes off? Because typically it's very volatile in that moment. It can go both ways. How are you doing so far doing that? Are you doing fine? The volume is not so much on the Nasdaq. I always trade the opening bell. Yeah. What do you look for when trading the opening bell? What is the typical setup you look for? The opening bell is like quite volatile, man. It's like can go both ways. It's like I'm always trying to wait out till the market forms itself, you know. I always wait for the market to develop itself, develop its candles, and then I go like, and then maybe, you know, I take a trade, but I first let the market and the volume to step in, accumulate, and develop. I trade 10 seconds. 10-second chart. You trade a 10-second chart. Holy moly, man. You trade the 10-second chart, or you trade, or your average trades 10 seconds? 2 to 3 minutes, $200, and I'm done for the day. Ah, yeah, correct. But depends on your account size. 2 to 3 minutes is, it's a decent size, brother. That's like, per contract, you get $20 moves. If you trade the Nasdaq, and you trade 1 minute, then the leverage is 20 times, because you will be moving, each time the Nasdaq goes up or down a point, you will be making or losing $20. So 20 times 3, that's like $60 per point. That's like, oof, that is crazy. That is insane. $60 per point, it can if it goes against you and you do not have the account, like the account balance for it, it can really betray you. Because my accounts currently have about $2,500 draw on them. 150k. Ah, yeah, okay. Then if you have 150k account sizes, then probably, yeah, 2 accounts. Okay. So you're trading 2 minis per account. 2 minis per account. Are they funded, by the way? Or are you still in the evaluation phase? 5K drawdowns. Yes. Okay. 45,000 dollars of drawdown. No, wait, $4,500 of drawdown per account. I do copy trading for them, yes. Ah, okay, then you're chilling. Because if you had 50K accounts, I'll be like, bruh, careful. Trading 3 minis on a 50K account, considering you only have drawdown $2,500, then it's kind of risky. It's like you're not managing your risk to reward. It's not like you're not managing risk on that account. You know, you should be risking 4% max of your account per trade. So that's why I always look for good setups. The ES, brothers, be very careful. I would say this right here is a nasty piece of work. So be very careful going long on the Nasdaq, considering the ES is doing what it's doing. It's not trustable. Be very careful, because if the ES even dares to dump lower than this, the Nasdaq can be easily pulled back down. So be careful getting long here. Hey, like the stream, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 51 subs. I did not watch how many subscribers I currently have, but I probably have around 51 or so. Oh, all right. Let's see. The ES does not look good though. The ES really the ES here is an unholy dumper. Be very careful going long on the Nasdaq, because honestly these two are completely opposites today. That's what I'm seeing. These two here, complete opposites. You're gonna stop today, Dave. Thanks! The good news. We need more transparency in the trading industry, brother. I think I'm already tired of the gimmicks, the gambling, and the Lambos. The kids who only show Lambos and... Yeah, it's fair enough. I mean, if you make money trading, it's good. Like, post all the losses for fuck's sake. Don't just post the wins and then people that you made that money from trading, when in reality you're making your whole revenues you're selling. Damn. We need like definitely more transparency in this. It's not clear. Your mic audio is not clear. Okay, shit. Wait. Yo, hello? Oh my days. Hello? Is it better? Is it more clear? It's like you're far away. Okay, how about... Wait, hold up. How about now? How about now? Is it better? Better. Okay, yes, okay. So, yeah, we need more transparency. We need more transparency in this trading industry. We got far too much bullshit, far too much gambling, far too many kids, 19-year-olds. I mean, I'm 19 years old, but I would never, like, fool my audience into thinking that all the money I make is from trading, when in reality all the revenue one of these kids makes is from a course they're selling. You know, trading really has become a thing to promote a millionaire's lifestyle. And while yeah, you can become a millionaire, and by all means, if you make your first $1 million from trading, good job. You know, post the new car that you've got from from trading, you know, post your hard work, but it's like also post the losses. When they happen, just post them as well. Or document them somehow. Just be transparent about what you're doing. Too many fake gurus out there pretending to have the clear, how can I say this, like the freaking holy grail of trading, 100% winning rate strategies. Gotta love it. The space, I don't know how people tend to make this space into such a joke. Like this is supposed to be a business where you're only locked in to make money. And somehow people turn it into a Christmas party. Oh my days. If the market is really not doing what it's supposed to do, I'm gonna throw some music in there so that you guys can enjoy it as well. It's only been 9 minutes since the market opened. Just be patient. Well, alright. Oh my days, bro. What is this? What? How do you even get long? The question is, how do you dare to get long when the ES is doing what it's doing? I mean, maybe you could have, should have, would have, but oh well. Does anyone like know about Patrick Whelan's BDH trading world battle? Does anyone know that? Anyone know about that thing there? I did post a thing making an account and making $600 on that account right off the bat yesterday on no, not yesterday, on Monday stream. If you guys know about it, Patrick Williams doing like a thing where first place can not trading is also trading because you preserve your account. I know Patrick. He's participating. Yeah, I'm participating too. That's the thing. I still have the account. But if you're looking at the leaderboard, you'll only see gamblers. Like let me actually, okay, so the market is not giving us any opportunity, but let me quickly just show you this. Let me show you guys this. This is no actual trading that I want to partake in, like genuinely. This promotes unhealthy habits in trading. Patrick, yeah, I do know Patrick. He's the one who inspired me to make to get into trading. But let me show you this. What is this? So the days active his account on this guy's account, it's been only 1 day and he scored $76,000. And literally bypass. No, this is not normal. Genuinely, I believe that this is not normal. Like, I get it. Like maybe yeah, a trade made in 1 day, $19,000 with some effort, you could do it. But this, without full porting the account on a 200-point move, even 200 points with 10 minis, it's still not enough to make this much. Like how much would the market need to move 10 minis in your favor for you to make this much in a single day? Like how much of a gambling competition do you want this to be? Genuinely. Like genuinely, like the leaderboard is clearly saying, hey, you cannot get first place unless you're gambling and full porting your account. Nice. I still have the account. I'm gonna full port it later, see what happens. I don't care either way. If I buzz the account, it's okay. I mean, if I have it there, I might as well just play with it. But yeah, my goal is no longer to win, for sure. They did say like for the first time, yeah, it's a first time competition. I mean, we're gonna do better competition where there will be consistency rules and less contracts available to discourage gambling, and I will partake in those. But this one is completely taken over by gamblers. Like that sum of money, 76K, that's like pure gambling. And how do you know it's gambling? Because here's the thing: if a guy is really making 76K in a single day, normally if you see that guy with 76K, then you should think like, okay, if he actually was making 76K in a single day, then would he really be needing $10,000 prizes on from Patrick? Like, would he really be joining a competition if he was really making like a six-figure annual salary? I don't think so. And that sum of money is only possible in a single account. Keep in mind, he only allows one account. You can do multiple resets, but he allows one account only. And on a single account, somebody makes 76K. Like, how is that even possible? Unless you're throwing with the dice. Right? Like, genuinely. You can't have it any other way. That's the brutal truth. With me, you're not doing anything. Market's going boring price action right here. So yeah, I decided to focus on my founder accounts, guys. Genuinely, I just want to focus on my funded accounts, take a payout, and begin my journey to wealth. I'm not gonna sit around watch some idiot gambling on a competition, because genuinely, I did like Monday. I just took one mini, and I made 600 bucks, and I was like, yo, I'm probably doing great. And then I see some guy, when the competition began, I see someone there made 12K in a day. I was like, are you fucking kidding me? It's almost like a scam. You know what I mean? You guys want me to turn the camera on? You guys want me to turn my cam on real quick? I mean, I usually turn on my camera, but just to avoid my just to avoid my charts lagging, I avoid trading with my cam on. But I can, if the market is not doing anything, I can turn my cam on. I'll turn my webcam on. Not scam, bro. I know it's not a scam. I know it's not a scam, but it's like it's a scam because I know it's not a scam, and if anyone wins, they will actually win the prize. But the fact that you gotta full port an account and hope, literally you have to hope for a big move to have any significant impact compared to someone who made 76K on the leaderboard on a single account. That just shows like it's so bad. It's a thing that I don't want to partake in. It's actually legit. I know it's legit, but it's scam. The fact that the actual disciplined traders have no place in this. Like this is literally the idea. Because how do you freaking make 76K in a single account in one day? Okay, it's not been over several days. It's in a single day. Like even let's just look at this. Let's look at this and make the math. What is this? Market goes up. Great. Well, shit. ES is really jerky today. Let me show you. Let's actually try to see. So it's been 1 day since that account's been active. Yes. 1 day since that account has been active with 76K of profit. I have done some like Patrick. Blowing 5 accounts for them is not, like nothing. But how do you score 76K in a single day on one account? That's the question. Like how big of a move do you want from the market for you to make that sum of money? It's like if I tried it, even if I had money, if I tried it, I could reach 15K at best. But 76, that's just wrong. You know, let me see. So it's been 1 day since that account's been active, meaning today, right? So Let me see. Let me actually make the math. So they have their setup and partially gamble with huge contract. Bruh, I still think is like not sustainable long term. Because genuinely, if somebody made that much money, like in their live account, imagine. I was watching him live yesterday. Yeah, I know, but Patrick's like, when you got shit ton of money, I get it. But here's the thing. Let's face it. You know, if you're making 76K in a single day, you're not gonna join a competition. Like, you don't need to. You're already stinking rich. Like, why do you need to be joining a competition making if you're already making six figures in a single day? He goes in with a 30, 50 minis. Yeah, 30, 50 minis spread out different accounts. But this account from the competition only allows 10 minis. So how much do you want? How many points does the market have to move for you to make that much money with 10 minis? Haha, it's Patrick. He's crazy. Yeah, but he does it across several accounts. 30 minis. It's, he does it across several accounts, right? Um, but in the competition I'm talking about, like that guy, only 10 minis, right? Let's just say that you settled for, let's say, with 10 minis, you'd need 10-point moves, right? 10-point moves to make just $2,000. You'd need to repeat that over 35 times in a row to be able to score 70K in a day. So you'd need 35 times a 10-point take profit for you to be able to score that much. And if you, so let's, that was just the like chipping profits. That's like chipping profits, it's like 10 minis, it's $200 per point. Get 10 points, you make 10K. 35 times 35 times, you repeat that 35 times, and if it succeeds, you got 70K. But if you, let's say, wanted in a single move, you would need 300 points, 350 points for you to be able to score that type of shit. I mean, the math speaks all for itself, right? Oh my days. What is this market doing? Sheesh. I'm getting bored here, boys. Really uneventful days lately, The US government shut down. For what? Are the bastards going bankrupt or something? Like, I guess their corruption finally got too much, right? So they had to shut down. Bunch of thieves. The US government, bro. Bunch of thieves, bro. So much stealing, so much corruption. Crazy, crazy. Alright, let's get back to trading, boys. Yes, looking like it gives finally a bullish setup. You know what I mean? The Nasdaq, I would be inclined. Let me look for a place to get long. Let me quickly pull up my trading view. Spot right now. Not gonna lie. Giving kind of a setup. Not bad, not bad. We're beginning to push again. We definitely are getting bullish. So let me see. What spot? Where would I want to get long that minimizes my chances of winning this trade? Let's see. I can try a long maybe, but right now it's a bit too late. I wanted to get out of 45 somewhere here. But yeah, I'm not. Yeah. Um. Per trade, if you guys wondering, I'm risking only like $70 to $80 per trade. $80, and pointing, and I'm aiming for, to make 150 plus. My risk reward is like 20 points risk for 35-point return. And I'm always patient and letting the price action take my take profit or my stop loss. On every single setup that I take, I always wait for the market to take either my stop or my profit. I'm not taking it before or after. I'm tempted to trade the ES on this thing. I'm done for today. $320 for the day. I'm out. I learned the hard way. No more being greedy. Going to lock the account for the day. Yeah, lock it, bro. Lock it. I know I mean on that. Lock it. Let me turn on my camera real quick. Damn. Why is it so dark in here? Maybe you should turn on my light, but I think you guys can see me a little bit better. Like, you guys can see me clear, right? Camera's clear, right? Not lagging anything. Done for the day. $320, pretty good. Pretty neat. $320 per account, right? So you got 620. Are you still, by the way, in the eval phase? GG, yeah, sure, GG, for sure. Money's money. But are you still like in the eval phase? Or are you in the funded phase? Yeah, it's clear. Good to hear. Yes. You're still in the eval phase. Okay. Well, that's good. I hope you passed your accounts, man. Hope you pass them. And then begin to actually make money on your funded accounts. Nah, in the funded. Ah, in the funded. Well, that is money, bro. How close are you to getting the payout? Bruh, is there not enough light in here? In the fund. Okay, that's nice. How close are you to like getting a payout? How much do you need to make on the 150Ks? One more day will take my payout. How much will they ask for? That's nice, bro. That is a GG moment. What is this? One more day you will take my payout. That's sick, man. Probably you will take a full salary. 6,000 bucks. Top notch, bro. Take the money and reinvest that money. Reinvest it in something else. Like take a percentage, like out of 600, take 2,000, invest that, like long term, and the rest you do what you want with it. Like that's what I'll do. I mean, that's what I'm definitely gonna do. The idea is to scale, buying more accounts. Yeah, same. Buying more accounts. The idea is to scale, definitely. Like get yourself to, like definitely the journey should be to get yourself to 20 accounts. Like 20 accounts is fat money if you get a payout from those. Imagine getting $1,000 out of each. That's 20K. Like the money will be fat. What is this market doing, boys? What is this? What is this? Oh Lord. Fuck, that's serious. Yeah, pretty serious. What is this market doing, bro? Look at this. Still looks bullish. It does. It does. And even though, you know, what I'm looking for is price action. So when it may be bullish, I don't care if it's bearish or bullish. But if the price action is trash, then even though it's clearly pointed in one direction, it's just not clean. You know what I mean? It's not clean. It's the cleanliness of the price action that matters. I mean, look at this boner candle to the hourly frame. I mean, we're literally heading again, trying to make new all-time highs. Definitely bullish, but slow grind. This is literally slow grind. This is actual visible setup. You know, in the 2 minute time frame might be kind of a small bull flag, but then when you look at the ES, when we're making that bull flag, we're dumping on the ES, and well, the ES tends to drag down the Nasdaq. Am I really gonna get long here? ES made like a bull flag, retest view up, kind of pushing back. Nasdaq is just grinding. Just grinding and grinding. Honestly, I might go like, I'm gonna go light up my my lights. Yesterday I went ice skating. My legs are finished. Not gonna lie. Damn. Perfect opportunity will come. Yeah. And that's what I'm waiting. I'm just waiting for an A plus setup. That's what I'm waiting for. An A plus setup, and then I'm taking in. Stop out or take profit, I'm locking it in. That's the goal. Like, that should be the goal. Because my goal right now is 1 trade per day. Max 2 trades. If it really looks good, max 2 trades. You know what I mean? Max 2 trades. But otherwise not. Just 1 trade per day is good. Also use the MACD indicator. 90% accurate. Yeah, I mean, that's a good point. I use cumulative delta. And I know for every single cumulative data on the 3-minute time frame, the 2-minute time frame, and the 1-minute time frame is green, we're pretty sure to have bullish momentum. But when say red on here, green here, and red on here, then I know for a fact that we have a big chance. Cumulative delta really did a bunch of wonders. You know, it really eliminated me to take bad choppy. The MACD. What are you using the MACD on? What are you using the MACD on? What time frame? What time frame are you using the MACD on? What is this market? Dude, there's literally no place for me to belong. Like, I'm trying to like, hey, I want also this move. But damn, bro, give me a spot to get long at. Jeez, just give me an opportunity. What? Look at the QQQ. What the heck? So bad. Okay, see, there you go. There's the setup on the ES. I mean, I would have to see that on Nasdaq. You know what I mean? Because this is pretty clean. On the ES, this is definitely cleaner than the Nasdaq is just straight up, but no pullback. I mean, right now, if I really want a pullback, then the appropriate pullback, let me see, volume-wise, would be 60s, 60s or so. A proper pullback on the 50-minute chart, like genuinely. This is kind of straight up insane. But look what we did here. Look what we did here. We chopped. Okay, wait. We chopped, right? And this was the one where we chopped, and looks of it, right, from a distance, you'd see this and you'd go like, okay, this is a definite bear flag, right? And on the hourly chart as well, looked like a bear flag. But and then people saw it loading up in shorts, and then they got squeezed. Pretty classic market manipulation. Pretty classic. Gotta love it, right? Pretty classic. Okay, so update for the day. No trades taken for today. I'm gonna leave my funded accounts alone, and I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna be moving on to my competition account, where I'm gonna be full porting it just for fun. See what happens. I mean, I don't even care anymore. Just that guy makes fucking 76K in a day. Like, fuck that guy, you know. It's like freak gamblers, bro. Like, genuinely make the rules like Apex does, because the Apex actually has consistency rules that eliminates gambling. Like, if you know, I wish they made a competition where the contract size was only available for 4, maybe 5 minis. The account balance would be only $3,000 instead of $5,000. And then they should have made in a way where, you know, you had to make you were capped out only after making a certain amount per day, and then at the end of the week, the one who made the most money wins, right? That would be fair. The only fair way. Like, genuinely, that would be disciplined traders only, and not gamblers, because now it's like gambling only competition, you know. So bad. And I'm so salty. I know I could have done so good in that competition if there were really no people full porting their accounts. I'm genuinely salty about that. Like, even in his chat, Patrick's chat, there were people doing the competition, and they were like, I was up 2K this day, and I thought I was doing great until I saw that guy making this amount of money. You know, really disappointing, but yeah. Sucks. Okay, so no trades for today. Actually, let me see. Let me check. Look at the ES. ES. Is there any place where I want the ES to retest? Or is there any place that I want the Nasdaq to retest that? Alright. Shit. Why is it lagging? Okay. Is there any place other than the all-time highs themselves where there's no retest anymore? There's genuinely no place to retest anymore. Like, there was a place. No. I mean, there was a place where you could have tested it, but still not a, it's like a beast more than plus setup. How's everybody doing? Yeah, the good news is green on the day, taking his money and locking it away. Who else is green on the day? I am sidelines today. That's my update is I'm sidelines. Okay, no money, no money made and no money lost. Just on the sidelines. Important is either you're green or you're break even. Take it. The red, make sure your reds are smaller than the greens. That's the point. Yo, what? The market's grinding, grinding, and grinding. Bro, can you please pull back for the love of God? Shit, my man. Is there really? Can you really trust to get long here? Like, can you really? I don't think so. This is. Damn. I'm gonna sign out of my trade of 8. And I'm gonna also take off my copy trader off, you know. Number 6. I'm gonna exit I'm gonna exit the market. You know, I just want to make sure that I have no orders left on each PA account because I'm trading 6 PAs. 7, 8. Market still goes up and up and up. I'm just gonna log out, and what I'm gonna do is log out, and I'm gonna log out and join into my competition account to maybe try to get like 10-point moves, 10-point moves. I'm still gonna give it a shot, you know, but just so bad the idea that I'm forced to full port it. Otherwise, I have no chance to getting first place. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. The password, there you go, copy the password. See what I can do on it. But I'm not gonna be trading my freaking PAs in this trash. But I am gonna be trying on the other account. Like, when is this gonna stop? Like, genuinely, when is this gonna stop? This is so sketchy. I'm gonna be maybe putting some music on in a bit so that people don't get bored. No pullback. Can you imagine this? Finally a dump. Finally a dump. Oh my days. But yeah, I'm right now on my competition account trying to do something, but fuck. My days. That NQ is going up. Yeah, it really fucking does. It is crazy. Tiny little pullbacks it makes. It just keeps going higher. That's like the shittiest. Now I'm trying to see where can I. 4-hour chart bullish, 1-hour chart the same. Yep. Even daily chart. Pretty much every time frame. Everything going up. I'm trying to see where I can get along with the 10 contracts here on the eval account. Where? Where? Go with 5 so you will not blow the account if it turns against you. I don't care if I blow the account. It's alright. It's alright, man. I'm not. I know. I have no chance of winning considering there's people making 76k in a day. There's full-blown gamblers out there. So I'm just gonna give my shot, you know, and if it doesn't work out, it is what it is. I don't like this competition either way. That is what I'm gonna tell you. I don't like this either way. Like, what are the chances that I make 70? I have to literally to be in the top alone. I'm checking right now the leaderboard. For the top 10 alone, you need 40k at least to be in the top 10. No chance. No chance. No fucking chance. 76 freaking. Yeah, top 10, 30k for being in the top 30. Go. Yeah, just go for it, bro. Hope for a. Bruh, this is so bad. I mean, it's just a fun little thing. But yeah, I mean, what can I say? Just enjoy the ride, you know, and that's it. Yeah, so basically top 20 you need 30k, top 30 you need 24k. Okay, that's still manageable. 24k is still okay, but to be in the top 10 40k, that's madness. Damn. That is mad. ES making some Nasdaq trying to pull back here. Pretty interesting. ES, look at that. ES rounding up, neat setup. Where would I get in here? There's the 200s down there. 200s. The EMAs here, they absolutely look trash. So far, I mean, a pullback into the 85s would be great. I mean, yeah, there it is. Nice. I mean, there it is. There's the pullback. But I don't want to get short either, trying to short a pullback. I want to get long at the pullback, if anything. There's the 85s down there. Come on, 85s. There's the 85s. Huh. Are we gonna bounce from the 85s? Bouncing for now? Almost got stopped out break even. I'm trying to take profit in the 20s. 25,000 20s. We need to get through the 10s. From there long. Back always to the view up. From there long. Update. No money made on the funnel account, Angel. Right now, just playing on the competition account. Waiting for something to happen. Not checking the chat too long. I'm in a long trade right now. There it goes. No trades taken, yeah, so that's the update, Angel. As for the competition account, I'm currently up $1,000 on it. Quite literally. I'm literally up 1,050 on it. Dude, that is still 69k left to go. No trades taken, funded account safe. Just having fun on the competition account. That's all. Just having fun on it. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart right now. Very interesting thing to see here. The 5-minute chart. Five-minute chart needs to close bullish above this candle here. And now that I'm actually trying this, I know for a fact it's not possible. It's not possible to make that much money in a single day unless you're fucking degening. Like genuinely. Like even with proper setups, degening is only the way. Look at this shit. Look at this. I literally made on the account. I literally made to $1,000 and I'm back to $400. It's not possible. But fucking up the competition. It's like it's almost impossible. You need luck. How? Just how? Fucking how, bro? How, bro? Like, are you kidding me? This is insane. Oof, oof, oof. This is so nasty. Those people making 40K in like a couple days, like it's very shady. They're very shady. Fuck them. The chop is real. Chop is real, bro. Holy moly, bro. So bad. Alright, boys, I'm gonna close the thing here, the stream. It's already late, and I'm gonna get going because I haven't lost my competition count up 380 on it, but I don't know how something is not right about these people who are making so much. Something is just not okay. Something doesn't smell good to me. You know, it's yeah, it's just not okay. You know, because I'm trying here and no, there's no chance. There's just no chance. So yeah, I'm gonna be closing the stream, guys. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for some nice trading for tomorrow. Stay safe, be smart, be patient. Don't and do what makes sense. Alright? I'm gonna get going now. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Like the stream, subscribe. We've been doing well keeping on our founded accounts here. I traded my founded accounts for 2 days, but both days I ended up with break-even trades. So yeah, stay safe. I'm gonna get